basics of how to use the connector, some best practices to make the most out of your use of the connector, as well as cover how to use some advanced functions that can supplement your outreach and enrollment efforts. We have covered how to create a location and organization in the past 2 videos, and so in this video we're going to look at just like organizations and locations are. So let's go down to the Assister page and look at it. From the Assister page, you'll be able to see all the assisters under your organization. Administrators, like they can impersonate users, can also impersonate assisters. Note this feature only works if the assister's email address is the same as a user account. You could also edit details about the assister from this page by clicking on the blue Edit button, or delete an assister by clicking on the red Delete button next to their names. A user is anyone who has the ability to log in and access the back end of the connector. An assister, meanwhile, may or may not be a user, but they are someone who's assigned to individual appointments, locations, or schedules as part of the enrollment process. So, while neither all users must be assisters, nor all assisters users, depending on the way your organization functions and the type of access you want to give each individual within your organization. It's a fairly simple process. First, you enter their first and last name, their email address, and then you get to the type of assister. This is important not just for reporting purposes and data integrity to ensure that your reports reflect accurate information about who and what types of assisters are providing assistance, but it also changes the types of fields that are offered. It is customized so that navigators have navigator fields, certified applications have certified application counselor fields, and so on. It also is important in terms if you're an agent or broker so that we can include the relevant disclaimer language on the profile for each appointment associated with this assister. Note that this not only affects reporting, but it affects the appointment fields that an assister will be able to see. When you are done creating the information about the assister, click this blue Create Assister box to save your assister.